Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews doing another video today. And yes, today's video, I do have another unboxing for you. This time I am unboxing the BLU VIVO X. But before I do that, check this out. Okay everyone, so yes, I'm doing an unboxing again today. Yes, it is for the BLU VIVO X. The phone just dropped on Amazon on Wednesday. It was $199. Right now, if you want to pick it up, it went back to its retail price of, I think it's around $249 now. I will have the link in the description in case you want to pick it up. This is actually my first BLU phone ever that I can remember. So definitely going to be something new to check out on this phone. I'm going to go over the specs a little bit later. I'm going to get into the box. Let's see what you get into it. In this video, it's just going to be a quick unboxing. Let's see what you get. And then I'm going to do it like the setup, the first initial setup. But the cool thing about this phone, it actually has dual rear cameras and also dual front cameras. So, hey, that's pretty cool. It's also 18:9 ratio. So let's just get into the box and see what you got. But look at that presentation though. It's a nice looking box. It does have some of the specs here, which I'm going to come back to while the phone is booting up. Look at my lucky unboxing knife. Yeah, right. I need a new one. Hashtag get Forbes Tech a new boxing knife. Oh, look at the phone just sitting on top. We will come back to this. Man, look at that. Ooh. That is nice. Alright, so put that on the side. Let's see what you get in the box. Nice little presentation from them. Some numbers. Let's see. What is this? Uh-oh. That is some headphones. Not bad. Not bad at all. Let's see, you have a little dongle. USB. Looks like a data transfer probably. Bam. Let's see what's this. Oh, this is the charging. It is micro USB, as you can tell there. Nice little cable. And then you have your charging brick, which is a fast charging brick, they tell us. And there's a little logo. BLU. Bold, like us. There you go. If you want to pause the video and read that, you can definitely pause the video. Then you also... you have your trolling stickers. Bam, I'll put that somewhere on like an Apple fan or something. Then you have some more books. Installation guide. Nobody reads that. Bumpy cam. This is a case. It has a case. It came with a case. With the box design on it. That's kind of cool. It's really lightweight. It's not going to do much protection of your phone. Let's see what else. Is this a screen protector too? It came with a screen protector too. It's not glass, but it's a screen protector. So it will help you protect your screen. Man, BLU's going all out. More stuff in this box than my $1,000 phones. So I'm gonna put all this stuff back in there. But that was in the box. But let's read the specs really quick. Let me start off the phone. Look at, here's the phone itself. It actually has some of the specs in the front. But while that's starting up, let's go over the specs really quick because they're all right here. So it's a 6-inch HD plus 18:9 widescreen viewing experience. It's Gorilla Glass 3 display. It does have a MediaTek Helio P25 processor, octa-core 2.6 gigahertz processor. It comes with 64 gigs of storage, 4 gigs of RAM. It has a 13 megapixel camera and a 5 megapixel camera on the back with an LED flash. 20 megapixels plus 8 megapixel dual selfie camera in the front with LED flash and BLU Final Touch. It has a fingerprint scanner, which we're about to check out. You can get a micro card, SD up to 64 gigs. And 4G LTE. Look at that battery size. No, that's not a mistake. It's 4,010 milliamp hour battery. It is only running Android 7.0 Nougat straight out the box. I mean, hopefully they upgrade it to Oreo soon. And then it's a premium metal housing design. Bam. Alright, so here's the phone itself. Let me take off some of these stickers. But bam, look at that. Whoo. It feels kind of light, I'm not going to lie. But I've been carrying the Sony phone around, so. But let's check out the phone itself. On the left side, you have your SIM card and your SD card slot. At the bottom, here's your micro USB. Yes, people, that is a headphone jack still. Look like you have a microphone there. Your speakers here, not bad. Then on the right hand side, it looks like you have your power button, your volume rockers up and down. On the top, you have nothing. There's your dual cameras. And my U11 will focus. Your earpiece. Look at that. Look, barely any bezel at the bottom. Barely any at the top. Okay, then on the back, you have your dual cameras with the LED flash. A little branding of blue there. And then you also have your fingerprint scanner, which we're going to test the speed of it and see actually how fast it is. The back is metal. But, I mean, it feels really light, but it's kind of compact, so let's get this started. It's a normal thing. I'm going to skip the SIM card. I'm going to come back and put that in there. I'm going to set this up as new. Let me put my Wi-Fi code in here. Okay, everyone, so I did go ahead and put my Wi-Fi password in. I just want to show everybody this. Maybe I should be scared, but the FBI security van is one of the hotspots around here, which is kind of scary. Just wondering who they looking out for. Accept and continue. Checking for updates. Let me put in this password. Okay, so I was able to go ahead and put my information into it. So it says add a fingerprint. That's what I'm going to try to do. I'm going to try to use the same pattern. So it says locate the fingerprint scanner on the back of your phone. And then hit next. Alright, so let's see if I can hit it. It's not bad. Just touch the fingerprint scanner to wake and unlock your device. Hit next. Some blue apps, which I don't want. Some more useful apps, which, again, I don't want. I'm going to take all this off. Bam, there you go. That's the starting of it. Okay, everyone, let's check how quick this fingerprint scanner is. Let's see. Bam, look at that. That's actually pretty quick. 3 times. That's actually pretty quick. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think about it. Let's check the storage really quick, too. See, more settings, probably. Never had a blue phone. Look, memory storage. So, it's using 14 gigs out of the 64 already with none of my apps installed on it. That's pretty good. But here's battery, navigation bar. So, there's a lot of things you can set up. Look, smart gestures. But I'm going to get back into that. I'm going to make like a 24 hours impression video with this phone. One other thing I want to mention. It said Face ID. But it looks like it is just the Android version. You can do smart unlock. Trusted face. Let's see if I can do this on the side. So face unlock. Let's see if this actually works. Okay. What y'all think? I mean, the phone's locked. You can see the phone's locked. But as soon as I unlock it, bam. Wake it up. That's actually pretty quick. One other thing I want to do, I normally always do, is let's do some comparisons. So this is a 6-inch display. It is 720 by 1440 display. So it's 720. Right now it looks pretty good. I want to test it outside, but let's do some size comparisons. Look at that to my V30. It's about, and it's a little bit thicker maybe on the sides, the bottom, but you know, it's taller. taller than the V30. It's about the same width though. Let's see. HTC U11 Life. That eats up that one. Let's see what else. My XA2 Ultra. Yeah, the Ultra definitely is a bigger phone. The other one I have, which is about the same price range, is my Moto G5S Plus. Bezel City. Look, it's still taller than the G5S Plus. It's about the same width too. Bam. So, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and stop this video. I'm going to use it for about a day or two, come back with another video, give y'all my first impressions of the software and the hardware itself. But also, I'm going to do some video tests, test out the cameras on here because it's supposed to have bokeh effect on the back and the front cameras if I'm not mistaken. Also, I'm going to do some comparisons maybe with my Moto G5S Plus and my HTC U11 Life. So if you want more coverage on this BLU VIVO X, please stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.